All right, this is going over number 12 from 8.5 day 1. We have to subtract these two, but in order to subtract them, we need a common denominator first. All right, so the trick is to realize that the denominator on the left is 4 times x, and the denominator on the right is x times x. All right, so we sort of have to figure out what is missing. So basically, our overall denominator has to have a 4 and 2 x's. All right, because they have both, one of them has a 4 and one of them has 2 x's. So we need a 4 and x. Okay, which means then that one on the left needs us 1 more times x, giving us 3x over 4x squared, or 4 times x times x. And then the second one just needs times 4. All right, and so that would give us an 8 up top. All right, so our answer then would be 4x squared, keep the denominator the same, and just do 3x minus 8 in the numerator. And then we could check, does that simplify it all? But in this case, it doesn't. Right? There's no way to factor this top part apart, so you just leave it that way, and that's your answer. All right, hopefully that helps.